So I'm extending this deck to make it wider. I'm using this channel. It's 265 is the channel that I'm using. And I use my chopper, cut down pieces. I'm extending it to be 26 feet wide. So it'll be 26 scale feet this way. And now I have 8-show 2x8 lumber that I'm going to cut. I guess I'm going to cut the various lengths. We'll see. I'm just cutting them random, trying to make them fall between the middle of the stringers, like the middle of these, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, it's coming along. So I'm working on the dock, and what I decided to do was cut all the legs off, start over. This is what I have for the dock that I made, right? Right now, this side is, we're all even, okay? That's my main goal. That's what I wanted to do, get it even. And I will attach this like this. I don't need to brace up this side. And then I will put legs on the outsides like before. I'll cut new ones because it was a little short on the track to the car when I put a box car next to the original deck, and it was a little bit short, so I would have needed to add something, and it was just easier to start over with this and then go from there. So that's where I'm at so far. Oh, been pretty busy doing stuff and forgot all about that I needed to do a finish to this. Here it is, all together. So, uh, when I measured this part of the deck, right, um, I made a mistake of making these planks that size, and then I wanted to cap them. I forgot that I wanted to cap the ends, so I wound up uh, two different caps just to blend it all together and get this and this on the same plane, because just overall, uh, all the styrene parts, I couldn't get them as thick and as big as this one, so I had to build it up. And so that's what I wound up doing. Like here, this end is visible, and this end I sealed up, right? You can see the difference in the channel here. So what I wound up doing, you'll see that I cut all the legs off, and then I used some square stock and just put random legs. I think it's fine. But then I glued the two pieces together. Well, I did that before I put the legs on. The legs were the very last thing. So what I'm going to wind up doing is making a new one ramp, and I cut this piece of styrene to give me the angle that I need to get up to here, like this ramp. And I'll make a new ramp, but I won't show it to you how I do it. It's just straightforward. Just going to copy this, go across with decking, and put some legs on it, and that'll be it. This one's way too low. It's too steep of an angle, I think. Even if I jack it up, it's going to be even steeper. So I want it to be a little longer, and this will be a little longer. I think it'll be a better angle to go at. But that's my scratch build. This is my first scratch build, this white part, not the brown part, the white part. I think it came out pretty good. Happy with it, serving its purpose on my layout. And I hope you enjoyed this long scratch build video. Like and subscribe if you see anything on my desk and any of the supplies I use. Look in the description because I have links for my Amazon store for all these and all the other things that I use in my modeling. And purchasing through those links, purchasing through those links helps me out a little bit. I don't get much, but every little bit helps, right? Be well, be blessed until the next time. Next project, who knows what's coming next? Stay tuned.